In this lab, we will configure no VNC service for our OpenStack platform, so that we will have VNC or console available for the running instances. So here you need to remember, for OpenStack there are two type of VNC service available. One is no VNC, that gives you the console for the instances via WebSocket, whereas it has also other service, OpenStack Nova console, so that gives you the VNC or console for the instances via VNC client. So here we will configure the no VNC, so that we will have the VNC for the consoles of the running instances available on the web GUI of the Horizon. So here, for doing that, we will be logging into the all the three nodes, that's controller node, then compute node, and in our compute 01 and 02 nodes. So before doing that, we will get the public IP for our controller nodes. That will explain why we are doing that. So for doing that, we will get our public IP .org. So this is our public IP. So why we are using here public IP? Because if you see, we are using host name for this is a lab environment set up on the cloud, where we have the host name with a hyphen. So there is a bug in Nova as of now, which doesn't allow to have a hyphen name in the URL. So if you have a hyphen, then it will not work. In that situation, you have to either use your public IP, or if you are using only in via internally, so you have to use the actual internal IP for your controller node, and this configuration will be set inside our Nova configuration file. So that is etc nova.com. So either you open this file and set this parameter, that no VNC proxy base URL to that HTTPS, whatever is that host name or IP address of your controller, or how you are accessing, then 6080, this is the port for your VNC service, and then VNC auto.html. So let's do one thing, let's copy our IP and paste it here, so that we can make this change. So please remember, you need to make this change in all the controller and compute nodes. So let's make the change here first in the controller node, and then go back to that another first compute node, that's a comp 00. So make same change here also. Now go back to comp 01 and make same change here also. So once you are done with all these changes in all the three nodes, then you have to restart the OpenStack service. So let's do here. So OpenStack hyphen service, do restart. Once done with this node, we will go back to comp 00, and then we will go back to the controller node also. So all the three places you need to make this change and restart the OpenStack service. So it takes some time, so let's wait for it to get complete. Then we'll be going back to controller node. So let's do OpenStack hyphen service restart. So you can verify also that this change is been added or not. So let's verify that also. Once the service restart, we can get verified it from the configuration file. So let's verify it from etc nova.conf. So Nova VNC base URL is this one. So it's been done in all the 3 nodes. So by doing this you can have your NoVNC proxy setup, so that whenever you launch an instance and you try to access the console for that instance, you will be able to see the console for the instance.